My vacuum is heavy, my vacuum is loud, and my vacuum works. And that's what you need out of a vacuum. This is an empty canister. This is my kids upstairs where their bedrooms are, where they sleep, and I don't want all that dirt and stuff in their rugs right underneath their sleeping little head. This vacuum will suck things out of your carpet that I guarantee have been there for years and years and years on end. It also has a scent blocking thing. It does not get hair wrapped around the brush at the bottom, so cleaning is so easy. This vacuum's loud because it auto detects. It will gear itself up so that it can really suck hard when it needs to, and then it will gear itself back down when your area is not as dirty. And I love that. This vacuum sucks hard from the side, so you don't have to beat up your baseboards or furniture to get everything you need. The canister is removable for easy to get underneath surfaces. This is the best thing I have ever gotten for my home, because now my home is truly clean. It has a scent booster in it. I love it. I'm linking this vacuum below so you can check it out, because it's really good for everybody in your family. It's like a commercial grade vacuum. Now, how is a vacuum supposed to work anyway if it's not heavy and loud? This vacuum right here may be heavy and it may be loud, but it's also going to severely impress you with how well it works. Oh, and that handle on the top, yeah, that's your vacuum hose. It's so easy to get to. It comes with some really cool attachments too. Y'all have got to check this out if you really want that carpet, that home to be clean.